Look at me. Oh my God. I'm so touch you. You're so cute.
Okay, hold one more time. That's it done.
You're cute. You're so cute.
You're so cute.
You're so cute. Ah, let me down. Let me down. Okay, I'll let you down. I think I'll pet you down.
You like it?
Daddy, I hold a baby squirrel.
Baby rabbit. Not squirrel.
Dad, come over here. I can pet him. He's just good. He don't need any help.
Okay, pull him back. Pull him or she back.
I want to keep him. He's a relaxing boy.
Hold it. Hold it.
Dad, look. Look at
Don't hold so tight. Huh?
Oh my god, that's scary to hold up.
No. He like.
Don't touch. You touch means mommy hate you.
Oh.
No. He likes it.
Okay, pull him back.
Get out. Oh my gosh.
Richard, pull him back. Hold it, pull him back.
Let me put you back. No, he don't. He don't like it.
He's not biting.
He just wants to get over here. Here, go in your home.
Yep. And then cover it.
That's kind of fun.